Good morning, jr6. I miss you so much. Let's start to explain unit number 3, lesson number 1, which is called the solar eclipse. First of all, if you remember that the light travels in straight lines, and if there is any object in front of the source of light, a shadow will be formed. So the shadow is the darkened area which the light can't reach it. As you know, the Sun is located in the center of the solar system, and all the planets are revolving around it in oval orbits. And also moons are revolving around those planets in smaller oval orbits. If the Sun, Earth, and Moon are nearly on one straight line with the Moon in the middle, this is called the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse is the astronomical phenomenon, or it's an event that happens in the space when the Earth, Moon, Sun are nearly on one straight line. As we said, the shadow is formed when an object is located in front of the source of light. But we should know that there are types of the shadow. The darkest area is called the umbra, and the faint area is called penumbra. The darkest area is called the umbra shadow, and the faint area is called penumbra shadow. There is one more type, we will talk about it later. Now, look at the figure. The darkest area is called the umbra shadow. Okay, the darkest area is called the umbra shadow. Also, it's called the cone shadow. If we are on this area on Earth, this means we are in the umbra shadow, so we can see the light completely and we observe total solar eclipse. The second type of the shadow is called the penumbra, or is called the semi-shaded area. So if we are on this location, around the umbra shadow, so we are in the penumbra shadow, and we can see a part of the sun only, and we can observe the partial solar eclipse. Okay, so the second type of the shadow is called the penumbra. It's the faint shadow area, and we can observe the partial solar eclipse, and we can see a part of the sun. The third type of the shadow that we didn't talk about it is called antumbra. The antumbra shadow is an extension of the umbra. Look at the figure. This is the umbra shadow, and the extension of the umbra shadow is formed antumbra shadow. Okay, so antumbra shadow is formed only if the moon is located in the higher orbit, which means the moon in the closest position to the sun, and that causes an annular solar eclipse. Okay, now let's talk about the types of the solar eclipses.